Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tall Victor from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off by drawing the eye with a circle. Now inside, let's add another circle for the pupil. And then let's color it in black. Next, above the eye, let's add a curve. And the same thing underneath. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. We'll start with the curve across. And then a U-shaped curve underneath. Now let's hop inside the mouth and add the teeth. At the top, let's start with two rectangles. And then another set of smaller ones on the side. And lastly, for the mouth, let's add a curve at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's add the sides of the head. Let's start on the left side, near the top of the eye, and let's draw a curve down, and then bring it in slightly at the bottom. And the same on the right. Now let's move up and draw the top of the head. From the top, let's curve it out on both sides. Then let's add another curve next to it. Now another set of curves up on both sides like this. Then a V shape at the top. And then in the center, let's draw two more shorter curves. Now let's hop back down on the left side, and let's draw two bumps like this. And now let's connect them with a curve. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now let's move in and do the same thing. Let's start with two bumps, but we're going to bring it all the way back around. And on the right. And for the middle section, let's draw the two bumps underneath. And then a curve at the top. Next, let's hop up on the top and let's draw a curve out to the left and out to the right. Now on either side, let's draw two bumps going down. And then one more underneath and back up. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and finish drawing the body. From the sides, let's bring it down on both sides like this. Now let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And the same on the right. Now let's hop inside. Let's start a little bit further up and let's do the same thing down and back up. And the same on the right. Now in the middle, let's draw a wavy line down and back up. And now let's add 2 more wavy ones in between like this. And that's it for the body. Next, let's draw the arms. Let's start on the left side of the body here, just under the mouth, and let's draw an angled line down, and then curve it down at the bottom. And let's do the same on the other side. Now on both sides, let's do the same thing underneath. Now at the bottom, let's draw a pointed V shape, curving out from both ends. And then 2 more to close it off. And that's it for Tall Victor. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!